Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Drake sings about circadian rhythm. And what are circadian rhythms? I read that they are the physical, the mental, and the behavioral changes in an organism that experience over a 24-hour cycle. Alright, so light and dark have a big influence on us, as well as food intake, stress, and so on. So yeah, that's what it is. So I'm gonna try to behave like Austin Powers would say here during this tutorial. Anyway, let's go into Drake's circadian rhythms. And we have a capo here set on the 4th fret. That's the setup. And we have 3 chords. That's the A minor, G, and a D version. So let's go into this capo on 4th and let's look at the chords. Starting with A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the next chord, which is the G, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, because we have the melody there on the B string. Normally we have the 3rd B string. This time it's open, and now we have the 3rd E as well. So that is the G chord, and then we have the D, and I'll play that with open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E in the end there. All right, I think that is the D5 technically, if I'm not mistaken, but anyway, that's the D. Let's take a look at the melody, and it goes like this. Okay, so what you can do here is to grab the first chord, the A minor, and the melody goes clap and 3rd E. So 1st fret on B string, I picked that with the chord, so I use the bass string for that as well, and that is the open A string. You can incorporate more strings from the actual chord, it gives more flesh to this body, so to speak. So pick that, try to focus on the 1st B string. So 2 times on that, then a clap, and 3rd E. That's it for A minor. Then you go to G, and now you use the same style here. You pick the bass note, which is the 3rd fret E string. You can use more strings from the actual chord, the G, but the open B string is what you need to emphasize. You're gonna play that as well for 2 times. Then I clap, and then open B again. And I probably play the bass string just on the 1st note though. So the 3rd fret E string, open B, clap, and open B. Okay, that is the G part, and then you have the D, and that will be like that. All right, so the bass string now is on the open D string, and the note you want to emphasize is on the 2nd fret G string. 2 times. And then clap, and then 2nd G again. You're gonna play that part for 2 rounds on the D, okay? So A minor 1, G1, and D2, like this. Okay? And there you have the melody. You can also do this with strumming. And then, of course, you're going to play very similarly. You're going to play down, down instead of picking notes. So down, down, and then comes the clap naturally there. Clap, and then a final down. So 1 string around will be down, down, clap, down. So A minor, down, down, clap, down. G, down, down, clap, down. And D minor, down, down, clap, down times 2. Like this. That is 1 round. And when I do the downs here, I really try to stop the down at the note, at the string that has the note, okay? So the downs on A minor, I try to stop my downs to play the B string and try to avoid the E string to start with, the first 2 downs. And then the final notes is on the 3rd fret E string. Then of course I go down to that string to get that note. And the same goes with the G. I have all the notes on the B string. That's why I'm playing downs and trying to incorporate the B string as the last string. And of course the D minor, that will be very short downstrokes just to incorporate the open D and 2nd G. So I just try to really have short downs or pinpoint the mid strings there. Okay, on the D and G string. That's how I use the chords here for this song from Drake called Circadian Rythm. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a like on this one and subscribe to Go on Guitar. Makes my day. So thank you and play tuned.